Right, take two. What we got here is I looked at the previous guy. What he did was he kept the stem to the outside and he went quite almost horizontally. Now I've tried this on this one and I'm sure some of this will fail, but you get the idea. It does work. He goes backwards and forwards a few times. This looks a bit wet. I knew some of it would fail. It's not that bad. Just grab another, try and find a bigger leaf. Yeah, so the stem to the outside and go pretty well horizontal, backwards and forwards. Oh, going loose. Too many crickets. When you do it off camera, it works perfectly. So, I mean, that's pretty easy. Just try another one. I'll try the shallow one. Oh, that's broken. That'll cause problems. Oh, wow. That worked pretty good. Didn't get it all. Looks like the shallow angle actually works better. And it does. That's so if I remember, I'll put the link in the description. And this is pretty well what he did. And I think that's okay. I think once you get used to it, you'll be fine. I'll try the 45. Not sure whether that'll work at all. No, it's not that good. He just goes backwards and forwards. If you look at the link, you'll see it's not bad. I think, like I say, once you get the hang of it, it'll be a success story. And besides that, it's cheap as bloody chips, I mean. And that doesn't want to go. Still work in progress, but I think I think it will be a success. You just got to see it like you just go backwards and forwards, and it comes off. Do a few more. These broken stems are something you don't want in your mix. That's a bit of a... Yes, the smaller ones are probably not that great. Usually the smaller ones, I just run my fingers through them and they come off pretty easy. If you look at it, it's pretty good. That end bit there is nothing to worry about. It won't hurt your shredder. But he keeps the stem to the outside. He goes backwards and forwards. If you look at the vid, he's much better than what I am. I like it. I think the smaller ones just usually, I just spin them out. If they're broken on the end like that, you're going to have to pull that off because they'll just break on you, and you don't want that in your shredder. It looks like the shallow one actually works better. Alright, so I think it's worth playing it. The price is good. You can't beat the price. All the money I've spent on bloody shredding tobacco. I'll try it on this one again. Now it looks like as much horizontal as you go, the better it is. Well, there we have it. So I think once you get used to it, I think it'll be faster. Like I say, almost horizontal. Well, that's perfect. So there we have it. It's I think it's good. It just you need a bit of practice. That's all. We'll leave it at that. That's long enough.